Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to join some of the best Discord servers when it comes to stocks or stock trading in 2024 from scratch using this little tool, which I'll get to later. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And as you guys can see here, I currently have my Discord server open, and obviously this is just a dummy one to get the point across. So I like to use this tool called disboard.org. And what it is it's basically a database or a collection of all of the public Discord servers that you can join that focus on a specific type of niche or server where you'd be meeting with a community that has similar tastes or interests as you. So in this case, we're looking to join a server that focuses on stock trading. So what you guys would need to do here is simply click on the search icon and we can type something like stocks. So keywords are key here. So stocks, here's one. Or we can even do trading, for example. Although trading is kind of broad, so this could pertain to gaming, as you can see. So this one's a game, obviously for a game, so that's not the one that you want. So let's just do stocks. And what this is going to do is it's going to narrow down the search to only the aforementioned subject. So here we have stocks and crypto and so on. So if I were to do something like select them or categorize them by tags, so if I were to do trading, okay, this is actually going to bring up the gaming once again, so let's just forget that. So let's just do stocks. So stocks, and here we are. What this is going to do is it's going to pull up all of the public servers that you can join that have to do with stocks. So from here, you basically just want to make your choice and see which one fits your profile more. So I'm going to subcategorize it by member count instead of activity. And this is going to show you all of the biggest servers on Discord that have to do with stocks. And for the language, we're going to opt for English, obviously. And you'll be met with a couple of different trading servers like Eagle Investors or Get Money Traders LLC, Infinite Options, Invest.li, Penny Boys, and so on. Now from here, you basically just want to read the description, see which ones align with what you're looking for. So here, I think I might go. Actually, these ones are crypto, so a lot of them are actually crypto. So let's actually opt for Penny Boys stock alerts. So this one more focuses on investing, stock options, day trading, and stock market. So if you read the description, it goes if you're trading without a plan, you're going to lose money. So in this server, you get to basically learn everything you need to know to become an effective trader. So from here, simply click on join the server, and you would be redirected to their invite link, which looks like this. And from here, you'll see that there are 38,000 members on this Discord server that you can interact with or engage with. So simply click on accept invites and you guys should be done. So from there on out, you can have at it and start learning everything you can about stock trading. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.